In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Lightroom Mobile. Watermarking is a simple way to protect your photos and credit your work, and Lightroom Mobile makes it quick to set up and reuse. Start by opening the Lightroom app on your phone or tablet. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so your settings can sync. Once you're in your library, tap a photo you want to share. If you plan to edit the image, do that first. The watermark is applied at export, so it's best to finish your color and cropping adjustments before you add it. When you're ready, look to the top right and tap the share icon. In the menu that slides up, choose Export As. This takes you to your export settings. Find the switch labeled Include Watermark and turn it on. Right below that, tap the Customize Options link. This is where you'll design exactly how your watermark looks and where it sits on the image. Make sure the Text tab is selected at the top. Tap the text box and type what you want to appear on the photo. Your name, brand, or a copyright symbol like copyright followed by your name. Keep it short and clear so it doesn't distract from the image. Below the preview, use the layout controls to fine-tune the style. Under Font and Color, choose a typeface that matches your brand personality and switch between black or white text. Pick the color that has the best contrast against your photo so it stays readable without being loud. Next, adjust size and opacity. Drag the sliders to scale the text and make it slightly transparent. A subtle watermark, just visible enough to identify you, often looks more professional than an opaque block of text. Then set anchor and offset. Tap one of the 9 dots to position your watermark. Bottom right is a common choice for a balanced, unobtrusive placement. Use the horizontal and vertical offset sliders to pull the text a little away from the edges so it doesn't hug the frame or risk being cropped by social platforms. As you tweak these controls, watch the live preview to confirm the watermark stays legible over both light and dark areas of the image. When everything looks right, tap the back arrow to save your layout. You'll return to the export screen with the watermark enabled. Finally, tap the check mark to export your watermarked image. Lightroom will apply your design and save or share it according to your export choice. The next time you export with Include Watermark on, Lightroom will remember your layout, making future shares fast and consistent.